Hi, welcome. This is Chiranjeevi. Today's topic is Chapter 1 Relations and Functions, which we are going to study 1 mark problems. Problems. First one, give an example of a relation is symmetric only. See here, let me take an example. Capital A is 1, 2, 3. Symmetric is A comma B and B comma A be in the relation, then we call it as symmetric. So here R is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 is neither reflexive nor transitive, but it will be symmetric. Second one, give an example of a relation which is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Say reflexive is A comma A need to be in the relation. Similarly, symmetric is nothing but A comma B and B comma A need to be there. But transitive is A comma B, B comma C. A comma C need to be in the relation. Examples, I'll take A equal to 1, 2, 3. So the relation will become 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. See here, symmetric and reflexive will satisfy because reflexive 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Symmetric, which is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 is there. So it is a reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Third one, define an equivalence relation. A relation capital R on set capital A is said to be equivalence relation if it satisfies reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. So here if it satisfies reflexive, which is A comma A, symmetric A comma B and B comma A need to be in the relation, transitive A comma B and B comma C, A comma C need to be in the relation, then we call it as equivalence relation. Next, fourth one, let star be the binary operation on capital N given by A star B equal to LCM of A and B. Find 24 star 18. Solution, A star B equal to LCM of A and B. So 24 star 18, LCM of 24 and 18. What is the LCM of 24 and 18 is 72. Fifth one, define injective function or define 1, 1 function. A function f from capital A to capital B is called injective function if different elements of capital A have different images in capital B. See here, if we have different elements of capital A in different elements images in capital B, we call it as injective function, and it is also called 1, 1 function. Otherwise f is called many 1 function. Sixth one, give an example to show that star from n star n to n given by A comma B equal to A minus B is not a binary operation. We need to prove this is not a binary operation. So for all A comma B does not belongs to n, we take 2 star 3. 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1, but minus 1 is not a natural number, so minus 1 does not belongs to capital N. So star is not a binary operation on capital N. Next, prove that the function f from capital R to capital R given by f of x equal to 2x is 1, 1. So let we take x1 comma x2 belongs R such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. So f of x is 2x. So f of x1 will become 2x1 equal to 2x2. So 2 will cancel. So it will be x1 equal to x2. So f is 1, 1. Eighth one, show that star from capital R to capital R given by A comma B equal to A plus 4B square is a binary operation. So here for whatever the values A comma B, if we take in real numbers, if we take A plus 4B square will also be in the real numbers only. So therefore star is a binary operation. Ninth one, a relation capital R is defined on the set capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by capital R equal to x comma y such that y is divisible by x. Verify R is symmetric and reflexive. So x comma x belongs R for all x belongs capital A. Therefore R is symmetric. X comma y belongs R but y comma x does not belongs R. Therefore R is not symmetric. 10th one, a relation capital R and capital A is 1, 2, 3 defined by R equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 3 comma 3 is not symmetric. Why? Which is asked in the year March 2014 for 1 mark. 1 comma 2 belongs R but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. See here, if A comma B belongs R and B comma A need to be belongs to R, then we call it as symmetric. Therefore R is not symmetric. 11th one, let star be the binary operation on the set of rational numbers Q defined by A star B equal to AB plus 1. Prove that star is commutative, which is asked in the year June 2014. A star B is A plus B plus 1. So AB can be taken as BA plus 1, which is nothing but B star A. So if A star B equal to B star A, then star is commutative. Next, 12th one. Let star be a operation defined on the set of rational number by A star B equal to AB by 4. Find the identity element, which is asked in the year March 2015, July 2017. So A star E is E star A equal to A, which is the property of identity element. So we take A star E equal to A. So AE by 4 equal to A. AA cancels, E is 4, which is identity element is 4. 13th one. Let star be the binary operation on capital N given by A star B equal to LCM of A and B. Find 5 star 7, which is asked in the years June 2015, June 2019, March 2020. A star B is LCM of A and B. So 5 star 7 will become LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 14th one. Let an operation star on Z plus is defined as A star B equal to A minus B. For all A comma B belongs Z plus. E star is a binary operation on Z plus, which is asked in the year March 2016 for 1 mark. 2 star 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 is not belongs to Z plus, which is Z plus is nothing but set of all non-negative integers. Therefore, star is not a binary operation on Z plus. Let star be an operation defined on the set of rational numbers by A star B equal to 2 power AB. Prove that star is commutative. So A star B is 2 power AB. AB can be taken as BA. So 2 power AB equal to 2 power BA. So which is B star A. So if it is A star B equal to B star A, then we call it as star is commutative. Let star be the binary operation on capital N given by A star B equal to LCM of A and B. Find 20 cross 60. March 2017. So A star B is LCM of A and B. So 20 star 16 is LCM of 20 and 60. LCM of 20 and 16 will become 80. 17th, define bijective function, which is asked in the year March 2018. A function which is both 1, 1 and onto is called a bijective function. A function which satisfies both 1, 1 and onto function is called a bijective function. 18th one, define binary operation, March 2019. A binary operation star on a set capital A is a function star from capital A star capital A is A. So here a binary operation star on a set capital A is a function star from capital A to capital A implies capital A is called